Hey there, in this quick video, I'm going to compare the AOC Q27G3XMN with the Dell G2724D. Like, what are the main differences? So primarily the refresh rate for the Dell, you have only 165, but on the AOC you have 180. So this is the first thing. The second thing is that pixel type for Dell is IPS and for AOC VA. And I don't know which you prefer. I even asked like ChatGPT what it can tell me about the VA and IPS for you. So if you need accurate colors and wide viewing angles for professional work content generation, IPS monitor is likely a better choice. And for contrast and dark scenes, if you prioritize a high contrast ratio, deep blacks for an immersive viewing experience, VA monitor may be more suitable. So I can really say that like this one is better over this one. I just want to even ask the ChatGPT for you. Now, when I looked here on the ratings.com and other reviews, the AOC completely dominated Dell. And even on Reddit, when you would read where people tried both monitors. And another things that I want to show you are these. So this was also interesting to me. So let me show you. Okay, no. Yeah, here, look at this. So you have one HDMI with Dell, but you have two HDMI with AOC. Also, you have audio output for AOC. That's something you don't have with Dell, and both got HDR10. So just wanted to share with you like these things. So that's pretty much it. I mean, just wanted to make this quick video for you. Hope it helped you a little bit. Just go with AOC. Have a great day and goodbye.